Hello guys, welcome again to TBLUSTAR. This time I'm gonna introduce to you the new product that we can offer. This product is made in Italy. This is must technology product that we can offer for the industry. You can see, look at this beauty. This baby is called the home leg. Door smooth, it's the round toilet. You can move it with this handle this way. Oh, also we have the urinal in the back. In case someone is inside, you're in a hurry for the pee-pee, you can go here. After, remember to sanitize your hands. Join me to see the toilet inside. The home leg, you open the door. Come with me. See the tank. It closes and it flushes. And with this handle, we can flush it again. Where is the water for the flush? You ask. Well, the water for the flush is in this pump. With this handle, you flush. All right. You open the door and it flushes. So this toilet is all the time clean. The most hygienic technology. And to leave the door open, you pull the handle, you lock it, leave the door open. Now let me show you the sink working with the foot pump. We have the soap dispenser. We have the toilet paper dispenser. We have where to put the toilet, the paper, and this works as a trash can. So, how you don't like this toilet? The most hygienic toilet in the world, the home leg. You like it? Visit the website